Did you know that Colombia has a river that it looks edited by Photoshop? This is Caño Cristales. And what's actually happening is a tiny plant living on the riverbed. It's called Macarenia clavigera, and it reacts to sunlight turning bright red where the sun hits it directly and green in the shade. The sun is basically painting the river in real time. But here's the catch, that plant only looks like this for a few weeks a year, right after the rainy season starts. Before that, and after that, the river is just clear. No color at all. And getting to see it hasn't always been possible either. This whole area used to be guerrilla territory, completely closed off to outsiders for decades. It only opened up to visitors around 2012. Would you visit it?